In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called OS Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. This one. When it's ready, you don't have to open it yet. You need to exit Play Store and go into Settings. Then scroll to Hit Apps. Select those three dots at the top right corner and hit Other Settings. Now tap on Default Apps here. Click Launcher, and to apply your iOS one, tap on it here. Then hit Allow All in the pop-up after going back. And wait! As you can see, my launcher was successfully applied. If you wanna make any changes to it, just go into Launcher app. Then adjust all of those options however you want to. If you wanna go back to your default launcher, you need to click on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!